What are we having for dinner, Josh?
We're having sushi.
Yes, we're having actually taco sushi. We love taco sushi. So instead of the what's that? So instead of tortilla, we are using this nori. So for tacos we use this one. So this is like bigger. This to make like tacos. And then for taco sushi, we are using this like smaller ones like this. So you these are like the sushi, this nori, they're perforated already. So you just like put the nori sheet here and then put rice and then the toppings. So earlier today we went to Fish King to get some sashimi grade fish. So sometimes we go to Fish King, but most of the time we go to Nijiya. But earlier today we were on that area. We went to Bistro now for lunch. That's in Temple City. And then on our way home, we passed by Fish King to get the fish. And so that's what we're having for what?
Sushi.
For dinner tonight. And Joshua likes, Josh just likes, oh, we also got this stuff from there. So we have this ponzu and then this yuzu it. This is a little spicy, but I like it on sashimi or like sushi. And this is sashimi soy sauce, and then we have this hot wasabi. And then so for the fish, we have this is a bluefin tuna. Sashimi grade fish are quite expensive, so this is a really small piece of like bluefin tuna, and it's like $16.64. And then this one is ahi tuna. It's also like a really tiny piece, and it's like $14.79. And then this one is hamachi. This is a bigger piece, and this is $20.97. And then we also have this. This is tabiko, and this is masago. What is this?
Masago.
Masago. What is this?
That's tobacco.
Tobiko. This is masago. So these are what we are preparing for our like very light dinner tonight. Yes, Pichu.
Look, Mom. You?
Oh, magic!
What this is hamachi. This is ahi tuna, and this is bluefin tuna. Okay,
Bluefin tuna. And this is what is this? What is this? Look at this, colorful.
That is
Masago, and this is Tobiko. I think this is flying fish roll. I'm not sure. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
I prepared the sushi rice already. So, it's just a matter of putting them together, slicing them, and then putting them together. So, we have the sushi rice, and we have all these things ready now. I'm going to, so the nori, you want to help me with the nori?
Sure.
So the nori, we are going to, I'm going to get one and then put them on those taco mold. So the nori is this, maybe we divide it by 4, right? 4, 2, like that. And then another one, another 4,
You kind of break it a bit.
and then let's put them here, like that. And then you put rice, right?
Ding.
There you go.
Ding.
So you put rice, okay? Hold that. I put the rice on top. Oh, like that.
Ooh.
Ooh. You remember this? We used to do this, right?
Right.
So that's the taco sushi, and then we put like fish on top. And then you can put masago too.
Push on top.
Like that. And then one more
Okay.
here. And then let's chop some hamachi. 1 second, let's put hamachi. You don't want to eat just rice and like nori, right?
Mom takes the rice a bit. Sambal rice.
So this is the hamachi. Excuse me, Baba, a little bit.
Okay.
The very sharp knife. 1 second. Let's chop this.
I had samples of this fish and these fish and it tasted so good.
So let's make it like really tiny, like that. So this. Then we put masago here.
Masago.
And then this other one. What is this again? This is
Tobiko.
tobiko. This is tobiko.
I want Tobiko on mine.
You don't want tobiko? Let's put tobiko here. Where is yours, by the way?
This is mine.
Okay. I want to put. Oh, this is the mix. Let's put tobiko there and also like this one. How's
I'm
that?
trying the Tobiko.
Want to try?
Yeah.
Let me put tobiko on yours too. Right. Look how colorful. Right. And then tobiko on yours too.
Let's make an extra one.
We can make more later in the living room. This is just a sample. Those are sushi tacos. Now let's move to the living room. Now we are going to have sake. We have this sake that our friend Sushi Iki in Encino, he serves omakase. He gave this to us. So we have this peach sake. We are going to have like this.
In my own sushi.
Taco sushi.
What's sushi?
What's the fish?
Hamachi.
Hamachi. Let's remove this here.
Now we're going to get
Masago.
masago.
What is that?
Tobiko.
The tobiko fell. It's okay, you can get another one. There you go. The tobiko. It's flying fish roe. So it means it's still flying, right? It doesn't go to the... So there you go. There's our colorful taco sushi. Now let's prepare the table.
Even expertish.
Not expertish. Okay, we're not expert here. We're just
Beginners.
we're beginners and we're just having fun. We also have the seaweed. This like seaweed thing. You like to eat seaweed, Josh?
Yeah.
That should be good, I think. I changed my mind. I'm having matcha instead, iced green tea. So, how about you, Josh? Do you want matcha too? So this is matcha. We're making iced green tea. I'm just
So this is our sushi.
our taco sushi dinner. So we have what are the fish that we have?
We have that
hamachi,
bluefin tuna, and
ahi tuna, and then we have this masago and the other one, flying fish roll. And just chopsticks. Very cute. And this is husband's sashimi.
renting Daddy's sashimi bowl.
Yes, this is daddy's sashimi bowl. How colorful. We're in Glendale now. So the fish market is here. They have like sashimi grade fish, right, Daddy?
Yes.
Not a lot of people are using mobile, I think. Oh, so this is the Fish King.
Yes.
This place.
It's a restaurant too.
Yeah, but it's not really like, yeah, they have fresh, like super fresh fish.
Sashimi grade fish, all of them. Okay.
Super ready for this like fish. We have we brought an ice box.
Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe and watch us next time. Bye.
Bye.